I bet you we're going to see some shit riding here. Very much so. What's Mr. Man doing here? I knew it because you didn't go when the light turned to green. Split up screen on his phone. Hotel November 72 X-ray Golf Mike. Deep in thought. And he stops on the crossing because I'm going to go past slowly here. So a bit of a risky filtering here. I think I'm not going to do it just because I don't know how long the lights have been red and how much time I have. So in the end I could have just made it through, but so what, if I've cost myself 3 seconds, you could take